You licky nasty Jamaicans, when are you gonna stop embarrassing me? When are you guys gonna stop embarrassing us on the national, international front? This headline, right? One of my subscribers just linked me and him say, yo, SouFlo, you gotta do a topic on this, or you have to do a video on this. Fly Jamaica crew member busted with cocaine taped to his legs. In this day and age, man, really? With cocaine taped to your legs? In a this day and age, people, the same place where I went in to do my daily duties and get my daily bread, right, is the same place I'm at. When we do morning thoughts, right here, so. You get morning thoughts when I was going to work this morning, and y'all get this right now when I come from work. Me just done my day. It's better you go get a 9 to 5 here. A lot of you, listen to me, you need to go get you a 9 to 5. Me don't care if you a flip burger. It's better than you in a prisoner fight for your body and enough for you can't fight. So you know I'm doing one in a reach in a certain, especially y'all Jamaicans who are coming over here and come for the long prison time in an American prison. You're sure to get bent over in there. Damn, man. So anyways, the story goes like this. The youth named Hugh Hall. Hugh Hall, you're a dummy. Hugh Hall, you are an idiot. You should have called me. Me would have give you some good advice that could save your life, Hugh Hall. But look on you now. The story says, Hugh Hall, which is a Fly Jamaica crew member, was busted with cocaine taped to his leg. So Hugh Hall was caught with, listen to this, he was caught with, the amount of cocaine he was caught with was valued at 160,000 US dollars. 160,000 US dollars taped to his legs after the flight. US federal authorities says that he arrived from Jamaica, big up Jamaica, with big drug dealer them reach a foreign. US federal authorities says he arrived from Jamaica at John F. Kennedy Airport in New York with 4 packages taped to his legs. According to U.S. Customs and Border Protection, Fly Jamaica Airways crew member Hugh Hall, dummy, dunce but idiot, had 9 pounds of cocaine valued at over 20 million Jamaican dollars. And what Hugh Hall say? 20 million a one coming and watch no face. Nobody talk to me about man something. All idiot. 20 million one go, huh? Yo. He was detained after he went to court on Monday. So, Monday, him go court. Judge say, held without bail. He's been detained. I can tell you that for this amount of cocaine, you trying to bring this shit into the United States of America from Jamaica, they're going to punish this brother in the worst way. So he's looking at conspiracy to distribute and him a look on distribution. Them him better hope them not hit him with the kingpin law, because if him get hit with that RICO kingpin shit at $160,000 worth, 9 pounds worth of cocaine for you on your body, he gonna have to call some names. And if he ain't calling no names, him get dash way in ya. The funny thing is, I'm thinking to myself, surely someone must have noticed that you either had sudden elephantitis or that you just gained enough weight overnight. 9 pounds in a 4 packages tape up to your leg them. They wear uniforms. Every flight attendant or crew member I know wears some uniform, right? So I can't understand how you're gonna put all this. It's probably one of his own people that told on him. Hugh got something strapped to his legs. Check him out. And them done radio it in, hey, we're landing in so-and-so minutes. Please have your officers ready. I'm suspected that one of our crew members are transporting something from Jamaica. He looks suspicious. I'm seeing suspicious bulges in his uniform. And it ain't that long dong Jamaican schlong where them a talk about. They're on him leg them on them thing there. All idiot! 3 things me not do for money. 1, me not ride no man. 2, me not make no man ride me. And 3, me not carry no drugs, go nowhere for nobody. But I guess y'all will never learn the allure of that money. And to be able to go a party and buy out the bar and drive fancy cars and say, oh, I'm a ski on me in a Gucci, Prada and Versace. All idiot. The little youth who work at Burger King and McDonald's, you see, he might take time stack him dollars and take time plan him life out. And he will have the freedom to do so. To choose to go get an education somewhere and further himself, skill trade or something, open a business or something, you gone to prison for the better part of your life. For how many years them are going to dash you for. I want y'all to think about that. Alright? Slow money is no bad money, people. The fast money, them more time, you can do without it here. Life is the greatest. Freedom is the best thing. Although I'm broke and hungry, I can go sit down on the beach more time. Yeah? With a 1 patty and a 1 box juice. And watch the waves roll in. And smell fresh sea breeze. And get up and go around so I know say me and my woman lay up tonight. And she can ride me and me can ride her and we can bust a nut and we can... Yo, them things they not go on when them take away your freedom. Remember me tell you that. And no fancy car and pretty clothes no work that because all them things there, one day you're dead left it anyway. And most of you, it's not even like you're taking this illegal money and flipping it into some businesses that are going to launder your money out into something clean or seems clean. I'll be a flossing and no go on with them thing and then them dashing away for life. So, wise up, man. Wise up. Big up my SouFLoTV audience. It's the end of my work day and I look forward to tomorrow because tomorrow is Friday. Jasper I and I life. You don't know it, go already. I'm out. Peace.